These are 3 signs that you are not ready to pursue a raw vegan diet. Number 1, you have no sense of self-responsibility. Anytime anything goes wrong in your life, whether it's medically, spiritually, mentally, through other people, you have a tendency of blaming others, a God, your mom, those exes in the past, those false friends, whatever your mind comes up with. And if you have no sense of self-responsibility, when things do come up in the 3D that make it seem like your diet is either not working out or it's working against you, you will quickly give up, actually, and you will have another reason, basically, to feel that you're being victimized, and you will blame everybody else, and you will have no real power to change. Number 2 is you cannot actually imagine yourself going against the popular opinion. You cannot imagine for yourself that you could actually be independent and have an independent mindset aside from your family, friends, society, or any, churches or cult members that suggest to you that this is the way to be. You just can't imagine yourself going against that and being alone, maybe taking trips by yourself to the store, or eating at a restaurant, or eating at home, depending on what it is that these friends want to participate in. And for the time being, whether it's a short-term raw vegan diet or if it's a long-term, you just don't feel like you have the willpower, the discipline, the self-love to actually just let everyone else's opinions be their opinions and your path be your path without feeling like you are being crushed emotionally and isolated. If you are not ready to face that, then you are not ready for now to pursue a raw vegan food diet. I would say the third and the biggest sign that you're not ready to pursue a raw vegan food diet is if you are not ready to face your own inner demons. Eating a raw vegan food diet, whether you're juice fasting or even just eating lots of fruits, it will just make you feel. Let's just stick with that. And it will make you feel so deeply that you think you are going to die sometimes, because it brings up old grief. It exposes grief patterns or trauma patterns, bad thinking. It also exposes whatever you are at the moment. So if you're hiding from yourself, and I would say it allows you to be divine. It allows you to discover your divine self. And you might ask the question, well, how does eating raw fruits and vegetables do that? I have a theory, but when your digestion is clear, and you'll do this for yourself if you see fit to do so for yourself, when your digestion is running smoothly and things are not fighting so hard in your body to be like a homeostasis vibe where everything is working exactly as it should in an easy and effortless way, once you experience that, it actually affects the way you think and the way you believe about yourself. Because before the fast or before the raw vegan food diet, you may have had, let's say maybe you were eating meats, and you may have held on to a lot of trauma, you maybe held on to a lot of anger, and now your body is transitioning from that. It's like a heavier, denser diet that you may have been on, and that affects your mind. Now, you can show you better than I can tell you. So all I would say or suggest to you is do like a 3-day raw vegan food diet if you're at this stage. 3 days eating just raw fruits, perhaps, or just juicing. 3 days, give yourself that. And journal. If you don't have a physical book or you don't like writing things down, use like a notes app on your phone. And anytime you feel a certain way, you'll become more aware of how food connects to your physical body, and not just that, but how it connects to what you do, how you see yourself, how you perform, how you dream, how you imagine yourself to be. And I feel that the raw vegan food diet, the lightness of it, the ease of giving yourself the nutrients through the mouth and letting it go, and it's easy in, easy out, it feels way better than the straining sometimes and the constipation, which also you can see I'm doing a physical and an emotional connection there, and a letting go. It's like an easy flow. It's like water. It's in and out, in and out. And in particular, it lets go, it assists in letting go of pain, basically. And again, it's nothing that I can show you through the screen. You would just have to feel the calling for yourself and go forward and, see if that information actually matches. But if you're not ready to do any of these three things, then you are not ready as of right now to be raw vegan. So now you might be asking, okay, I'm not ready right now to go on a raw vegan food diet, but I feel it in my spirit, I feel it in my soul. I'm supposed to be raw vegan to help me with whatever this next step is going to be in my health journey. So how do I get ready? And again, the 3-day juice fast or 3-day raw vegan food cleanse of just eating raw fruits and vegetables, that will really help you out, and it will help motivate you once you see the results. So that alone can help. Or just dip your baby toe in. To me, that's like dipping a little baby toe in the water to see if it's warm, seeing if it's, cool, it's the perfect temperature for you. Not that it will not be without incident, because you will detox. You will have perhaps a little emotional detox, nothing too heavy, but also it will show you some of your addictions. It will show you, perhaps, if you have them, what you are used to doing as far as a food schedule. Like you may not be hungry, but you see yourself headed towards the fridge, or you see yourself driving past the restaurant that you always go to at a certain time, and it will feel like a phantom life, like, yeah, I remember going there, and I'm on a juice fast right now. I can't go in. So it will kind of expose who you are, basically, and that's a great opportunity for you to deepen the knowledge of self, and for you to put a new type of blueprint down. If you see what your habits are, some of your habits you might realize once you agree to take a break from them for a fast, that they are really bad habits. Like you may see yourself snacking constantly on chips or whatever the case is, and the thoughts come, especially if it's a habit. And when you take a break from it, it just, for some reason, it becomes like crystal clear and amplified that, wow, I see what I'm doing wrong. I know what I'm doing wrong, and wrong just to the fact that if you're in any type of inflammation or pain, you're like, wow, I realize how I'm contributing to my own detriment. So these fasts it's not just so much what you're consuming in your mouth, it actually helps open up your mind and gives you an opportunity for change. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to deepen your knowledge into the raw vegan food diet, then please check my links below. And if you like this video, please like it, share it with a friend or anyone that you think this message could bless. And please subscribe with hitting the bell notification to get updates on this channel. And I will be back with another informative video. Thank you for watching.